diagnoses engine issues quickly, reads error codes, saves repair costs, and improves vehicle maintenance. My today's video is about top 5 best Car OBD2 scanner that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Motopower Car OBD2 Scanner. This OBD2 scanner is a practical and user-friendly diagnostic tool for everyday car owners. It quickly helps identify engine problems by reading and clearing error codes, viewing freeze frame data, checking I/M readiness, and monitoring real-time engine performance such as speed, temperature, and load values. The built-in DTC lookup library makes troubleshooting easier even for beginners. It supports a wide range of vehicles, including most 1996 US, 2000 EU, and newer OBD2/CAN cars, making it highly versatile. The 2.8-inch LCD screen with adjustable contrast is clear and easy to read, and since it draws power directly from the vehicle, no batteries or charging are needed. The compact design, long cable, and simple button layout make it convenient to use. While it does not support ABS or airbag systems, it is still a reliable tool for basic engine diagnostics. Overall, it's a cost-effective solution for routine vehicle maintenance and quick troubleshooting. Now our second product is Yakry Car OBD2 Scanner. This professional car scanner is a highly practical tool for both beginners and experienced drivers. It goes beyond basic OBD2 diagnostics by combining engine fault detection with an advanced 12V battery health test, including SOH, and internal resistance. This makes it especially useful when dealing with no-start issues or a check engine light, helping identify the root cause within minutes and avoiding unnecessary repair costs. The device offers a clear 2.8-inch HD color screen with live data graphs and a built-in DTC library, making complex information easy to understand. With multi-language support and an icon-guided interface, it is user-friendly even for those with no technical background. It is compatible with most 12V gasoline vehicles and is ideal for routine checks, road trips, or used car inspections. Overall, this scanner is a reliable, all-in-one diagnostic solution that improves confidence in vehicle maintenance and saves money over time. Our third product is Vdiagtool Car OBD2 Scanner. The Vdiagtool VD10 is a practical and user-friendly OBD2 scanner that makes car diagnostics simple for both beginners and DIY enthusiasts. It connects directly to the vehicle's OBDI port and quickly reads and clears engine fault codes, helping identify issues within seconds without needing professional assistance. It offers essential functions like live data streaming, freeze frame analysis, I/M readiness checks, and vehicle information retrieval. The built-in database of over 3,000 DTC definitions is especially helpful, as it eliminates the need to search online and speeds up troubleshooting. With broad compatibility across most OBDI-compliant vehicles, it works well with cars, SUVs, and light trucks from different regions. The plug-and-play design, clear LCD display, and no battery requirement make it extremely convenient to use. Overall, this scanner is a reliable, cost-effective tool for maintaining engine health, preparing for inspections, and handling everyday vehicle diagnostics with confidence. Now number 4, Yakry Car OBD2 Scanner. This professional car scanner is a powerful all-in-one diagnostic tool that goes beyond basic fault reading. It quickly identifies whether a car issue is related to engine faults or battery health, helping users avoid guesswork and unnecessary repair costs. With its advanced 12V battery testing functions, including SOH, internal resistance, and CCA, it provides a complete picture of vehicle condition in just minutes. The device is especially useful for road trips, winter preparation, and used car inspections. Its beginner-friendly, icon-guided interface makes it easy for any driver to understand results without technical knowledge. The 2.8-inch HD color screen, live data graphs, and built-in DTC library make diagnostics clear and intuitive. Wide compatibility with most 12V gasoline vehicles adds to its practicality. Overall, this scanner is a reliable, user-friendly solution for maintaining vehicle health, improving safety, and reducing long-term maintenance costs with confidence. And our last choice is Autel Car OBD2 Scanner. The Autel MK808S is a powerful, professional-grade diagnostic tablet designed for serious car users and technicians. It offers fast and stable wired OBD2 connectivity, ensuring reliable performance compared to wireless tools. One of its standout features is bidirectional control, allowing users to actively test vehicle components like windows, mirrors, wipers, and sunroof systems, making diagnostics much more precise and practical. It supports over 150 car brands and includes 28+ service functions such as oil reset, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, and battery registration. The all-system diagnostics feature provides deep insight into every module, while AutoScan and AutoVin significantly speed up vehicle identification and fault detection. The device also delivers professional-level features like live data streaming, fault code reading/clearing, and report printing. With 1-year free updates and continued offline functionality afterward, it offers long-term value. Overall, the MK808S stands out as a cost-effective, high-performance diagnostic tool suitable for advanced DIY users and workshops. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.